Hello, in today's video I'll unbox the GoPro Mission 1. As you can see, there is the box and I'll unbox it, then I'll talk about some most important things that we get here, some features and everything else. So let's open it up. Probably can't open it from the top. Let's open it from the bottom. There's actually this, I believe that's how you should open it. Yeah, I think so. Okay, there we go. And here is the camera with everything. So it says that it must be updated before I can use it. I can subscribe to get the most. Okay, there are some stickers, which is always nice. Pro tips for best cold weather performance, and some Q&A probably. I mean FAQ, whatever. Then there's the USB-C cable. On both ends it's USB-C. Now let's look at the other accessories. There's the battery, which will get pretty useful. This attachment is can be used for different reasons, but most likely to attach it to, let's say, a helmet. You can attach it to a helmet with this part goes onto the helmet with the sticker, and then you can snap it on. Very likely you can do something like that. I believe so. I really think so, but I'm not fully sure how to do it. I'll probably find out later. I remember I did it once with a GoPro, but yeah, and there's this which is for connecting the camera to this part. Now let's get to the camera. This is some kind of attachment for the lens, and now there's the camera itself. Okay, let's remove the stickers from the front display, from the lens. Oh, the lens is pretty large. I mean, it does say it's a 1-inch sensor, so must have a large lens as well. Then there's the display, which is also pretty large. I haven't seen such a big display on a GoPro yet, to be honest. Now let's get this thing off. Okay, and there is our camera. Unfortunately, before use, I will need to update it. Okay, this is not to open. This is a mic drain. This is for attaching it to the mount with the screw, of course. And it also has a magnetic mount, I believe. I'll try to see it. Yeah, it goes on it, basically. So yeah, it does have magnets there, which is also pretty useful. They aren't the strongest, but if you place it on a flat surface, it'll probably be fine. Now let's open the door. They are not the easiest to open, I must say. Okay, after fighting for a moment, I finally got it. We gotta insert the battery, so why not do it? Let's put it in. I don't have an SD card for now, so I'll just close the door and let's turn it on. Oh, it beeps a lot. And there it is, it's on. I can select the language and go through it. Now let's talk about some most important features of this device. This is the non-pro version. There's also an unboxing of the pro version on this channel. It records in 8K 30, which means in 8K quality with 30 FPS, or in 4K and 120 FPS, which is great. It can do 8 times slow-mo at 1080p, 240 FPS. Then it also has the 1-inch sensor, as I said earlier. Can we remove the cover? Yes, we can. Yeah, there's this cover which is removable and replaceable. In case it gets scratched, you can just replace the cover instead of the whole lens, which is great, to be honest. And also, maybe you can replace it with some other ones. Now let's screw it on. Okay, it isn't as easy, to be fair. Okay, I got it on. Then there's a 50 megapixel photo with this lens, up to 50 megapixels, and it can also take in RAW format. It uses AI to enhance some pictures with AI modes. It can track subjects, so it can crop a video and track a subject that way. It has 4K zoom, it has 10-bit color, 5-hour battery life, which is quite nice for an action camera, to be honest. It also has GPS, and it's waterproof up to 66 feet, which is 20 meters, without any external covers. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.